friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And today's video that I'm going to share with you, this is the Smitten app. I got some stuffs in a very affordable, just for 199 rupees. So this is really very amazing. You'll get some 6 trial in this and 6 products. You can just select it and use for any like skincare. So this is how it is. Like, I'll show you. I already opened this. I just want to show you. So this is how it is, and you'll get 6 products. You can select any of these. So if you are interested, I got, like, I just purchased for 50 rupees. Actually, the 150 rupees I got the cashback again. If I purchase the next thing, I'll add up that 150 rupees again, so that it will be like really amazing. I'll just, for like 50 rupees, I got like 6 products, I guess. I need to just add this code which I given, so that you'll get some amazing offer as well. Like, I got 150 rupees cashback. Also I paid 199, just I got again the cashback 150 rupees back. So I just got like 50 rupees, 6 products, trial products. So you can just go ahead with your skincare products. If you want like Plum, Mamaearth, you'll get these kind of trial products. 6 products you have to select. So if anyone want to give a try, so that they can just download the app. And as I mentioned in the description, if you wanna go to give a try, just while signing in, just apply this code, so you'll get some amazing offer as well. This is how it is. I'll show you. I already opened this. So this is all I got. 6 products. So I'll show you what all I got. So this is the Mamaearth oil free face moisturizer. So this is one I got, face moisturizer. I didn't try it. I got it long back, so I want to do a video, that's why I kept it. So the next thing is Mamaearth only Upton face wash. So this is the face wash. So this one again. So actually the Mamaearth products are really costly, so you'll get in 199 rupees all these products. And I got Upton face mask, and Mamaearth hair mask, this one. So again I got this hair oil Seer Secrets, from Seer Secrets. This is of amla, and last thing I got this body wash of the lavender. This one I got. So these are the products I got from the Smitten app. So if you want to give a try, just please go ahead with, guys. It's just 199 rupees. You may get cashback. If you want to buy these products, so just please go ahead with this. It is for just 199 rupees, and that's all. And like, you may get some amazing offer as well. I just paid 50. You may get it for free also. If you are interested, just please go ahead with this. And thank you for watching. If you want to know any of these review products, so please let me know. And also I want to do also, so please, thank you for watching. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe.